This is an iMovie to help us determine which mouthpieces to choose from. The first one I'm choosing to play is a MF3 MF3. The second is a Perantucci 88. The third is a Mirafone C4. And I'm playing on a Mirafone 186 5U, so 5-valve double C tuba. Number 2. Number 3. Now, short of my heater kicking on, there it just kicks off, but you get the idea of what's going on. Each of these mouthpieces I use in different situations. I feel that the upper range on the Mirafone works great. The cup design works great for this horn. I also feel that the Perantucci is a great all-around mouthpiece that makes great sounds low and high. And I feel a little difference in the way the cup design is for me personally. So going to the G, although it's not an extremely high note, was more successful on the Mirafone C4. This, the MF3 shows its prowess in the low end, and I'll give you a quick example of that. So for orchestra stuff that I've got to play some low things, I might play the MF3. This is the Mirafone on that same low D.